Hi guys, for today's video, we're gonna review the Golden State and I'm gonna try my best. And I tried my best. This is my best team. So I'm gonna do my best, and you're gonna see later what I'm gonna do. The first thing we do is gonna trade Al Horford and Willie Chart for Trey Murphy and DeAndre Jordan. We're gonna trade Melton and Moody for Ryan Dunn. We're gonna trade Cam Spencer for Cedric Howard. Trade Bose and Payton for Derek Quinn and Kevin Looney. Trade Looney and Podziemski for Sadiq Bey. Trade Ryan Dunn for Kaman Maluak and Jordan Goodwin. Trade Bey and DeAndre Jordan for RJ Barrett and Kills. Trade Kills and Goodwin for Jerome and Aldama. So here's the roster after the trade, and I hope we can get more wins because we have more star players. And now I'm gonna manage the rotation and hope this team's gonna win more wins. So here we're gonna manage the scoring option, the offense, and the defense. So here's the team, and I'm gonna simulate until the trade deadline, and we're gonna watch if the team has good record or bad record. If the team has bad record, we're gonna trade someone, and we'll see that later. So now we're here at trade deadline. Our standing is 24 and 28, and now we're gonna watch how many points per game our player does. Steph had 25.1 points per game. RJ Barrett had 16.4 per games. Paul George had 13.2 per games. Jimmy Butler had, I don't know what's that, 12 points per games, and Kristaps had 18.5 per games. Our six-man average 7.2 per games, and Seth Curry average 7.2. The first trade we're gonna do is trade Jimmy Butler for Ja Morant. Trade RJ Barrett for Scotty Barnes. Santi Aldama for Clayton. Ty Jerome for Nolan Traore. We're gonna flip Ja Morant to get more star player. And we're gonna trade for Zion Williamson. So now, we're gonna flip Zion Williamson and first round pick to get more star player. Just like that, Giannis is in trade finder to get Zion. There's MPJ, there's Brandon Ingram. But you know what? We're gonna trade for Giannis Antetokounmpo. Trade Maliwak for Jalen Wills. Trade Lavering and first round pick for DeJounte Murray. We're gonna trade Paul George and Con Gillespie and first round pick for Dillon Brooks and Devin Booker. We're gonna flip Dillon Brooks for Nikola Vucevic. So this is the team after the trade, and I cannot believe I trade for Giannis, Scotty Barnes, and Devin Booker. Oh my god, this is the best rebuild I ever made. I cannot believe that I traded for that player. It was unexpected. So here we're gonna change the scoring option, and same with offense and defense. So after the trade, we're gonna simulate the rest of the season, and I hope we can get more wins. And actually, we can win the chip right now. Now we are here at last day of the season, and we turned out to the 6th seed. We're 10th seed before the deadline, and now we're the 6th seed. And Steph is averaging 24 points per game. Giannis averaged 21 points per game. Devin Booker averaged 22.1 per games, and Scotty Barnes had 18.8 per games, and Kristaps has 16.7 per games, and our sixth man has 13.6 per games, and Seth Curry had 7.9 points per games, and Jalen Wills had 10.7 points per games, and Ryan Rollins has 6.2 per games, and Derek Queen has 2.2 points per. So here we are at the end of the season, and our MVP, James Harden, Rookie of the Year, Victor Wembanyama, Sixth Man of the Year, Lauri Markkanen, Defensive Player of the Year is Mark Williams, and Most Improved Player of the Year, Cade Cunningham, and Coach of the Year, David. Here's the All NBA First Team, Second Team, Third Team, and All Defensive First Team, All Defensive Second Team, and All Rookie First Team and Second Team. Now we are here at the NBA playoff bracket, and we are facing the Los Angeles Lakers, and we're gonna simulate game 1. We win. Simulate game 2. We lost. Simulate game 3. We win. Simulate game 4. We win again. Simulate game 5. We're moving on to the second round of the playoffs with a gentleman sweep. And now we're gonna simulate game 1. For game 2 we win, game 3 we win, and game 4 we're gonna sweep the Minnesota Timberwolves, and we're going to the Western Conference Final to face San Antonio Spurs. So here we're gonna simulate game 1, and we take game 1, and we're gonna see what Wemby is averaging in the NBA playoffs. And Wemby is averaging 20 points per game and 11 rebounds. Oh my god. And now we're gonna simulate game 2, we win. Game 3, we win. Game 4, we win. We're gonna sweep, and we're going to the NBA Finals to face the Orlando Magic. Oh my god. We're gonna simulate game 1, and we win. Game 2, we lost. And now we're gonna see the Orlando Magic players averaging the most. And here is the Orlando Magic, and Paolo Banchero is averaging 13.6 points per games. Oh, that's tough. How about Franz Wagner is averaging 21.9 per games? How about Desmond Bain? He averaged 18 points per game. Jalen Suggs? Oh my god. Now we're gonna simulate game 3, and they take game 3. And game 4, we're gonna take game 5. We're gonna win it. And now I'm gonna play the game for game 6 of the NBA Finals. And the home court advantage is Orlando Magic. Enjoy watching game 6. Rebuild complete. We win the Golden State Warriors NBA champion and give Giannis 2 championship and 2 finals MVP and give Stephen Curry his 5th ring. Did you enjoy watching the video? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Comment for what team should I rebuild next. Thank you.